Let's go.
Hi, miracle hustlers. Are you sick of slaving away on videos that get lost in the YouTube abyss? In today's video, you will learn how to tackle and win the YouTube algorithm to save your video. There is a tremendous increase in YouTube creators and a limited amount of audience to supply the information. So there is a problem, and the problem is how can we win over the YouTube algorithm to make sure that our video reach a wider audience. The YouTube algorithm operates a ranking method known as the ranking system. The YouTube algorithm also uses data like the watch time hour, the click-through rates, the likes and dislikes, the shares, the comments, and other signals to measure audience satisfaction. So the problem now is, can a small channel compete with a big channel? Yes, the YouTube algorithm is changing and it is focusing on helping new and small channel get visibility, and that is why you see videos of small channel on your feed when you log into your YouTube account. So it is safe to say that if your video ranks very well, the YouTube algorithm will favor your video over other videos on YouTube. You can have the most amazing video on YouTube, but it doesn't matter if no one sees it. This is why keyword research tool like TubeBuddy and VDIQ helps you to search for keywords that you can use to start ranking high on YouTube. So if you want to learn more about VDIQ and TubeBuddy, click the video up here. So this is the 8th step that you need to follow to win over the YouTube algorithm to your side. Number 1, state important ideas. Number 2, create videos for your loyal audience. Number 3, use end screen and playlist to increase your retention rate. If you want to learn more about how to use end screens on your video, click on the video up here. Another step that you need to follow to tackle and win the YouTube algorithm is for you to continue to conduct and experiment until you hit your YouTube black gold. A sub-niche will likely perform better than a broad niche. Now, a sub-niche of a particular niche definitely will perform better than a broad niche, because a broad niche focuses on everything. Everything. For example, in entertainment niche, when someone focuses on everything, he might not do better than someone who focuses on one thing in entertainment. Tweak your title, your tags and description to start ranking on YouTube. So if you are about to create a video and you have actually watched a video from your competitor, it is very important that you slightly tweak your title, your tags and description so that you can rank high on YouTube. And if your video is not performing well, you can also change the title, the tags and the description so that it can start performing well on YouTube. Another thing that you need to do is to use sound effects. Use sound effects of feeling, emotion and surprise to hook your viewers. Sound effects of feelings, emotion, and surprise like smile, anger, and the rest of them actually makes your video realistic. Posting interesting shots on YouTube actually help you to increase your views and subscribers. So it is very important that you post shots, interesting shots on YouTube so that you can increase your views and subscribers on your channel. One thing I want you to know is that success is all about repeating the blueprint that works. So if something works for you, keep creating video on that particular thing that works for you. Thank you.